Hello everybody, I'm Debbie Indihar, Giordano of Master Brokers. Welcome to my update weekly. I like to bring you bits and pieces about what's going on with the local real estate market, how activity is on open houses, which we'll talk about that, coming soons, and then also interest rates, how that's affecting the current market. So let's dive into the interest rates first. Everybody wants to know, putting my home on the market now, how's that going to react with the buyer interest? Rates are hovering a little higher than 7% today, so about 7.25. So they have ticked up. The news on the street is the feds are going to, maybe in September, make some interest rate cuts, and that will probably soften some of that blow there with the higher interest rates. However, job market is good. I know Tesla is talking about a 10% layoff. That's only one company, but other companies are hiring. The economy is good, and I don't think there's any fear if you do put your home on the market that it's going to be sold very readily and with multiple offers. So let's talk about what's coming up. I've got 3 open houses, one in Fremont this weekend, 3-bedroom, 2-bath at 42554 Charleston Way. Price point is $1,398,888, so anxious to get that on the market. We got the photographer out there today, and the photos will be posted online tomorrow on that property. Then a couple weeks later after that, 1627 Starlight Drive in Milpitas. The home is a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath, currently being recarpeted, new paint in and out. Be cleaned and prepped, and that'll be ready to go. And the price point on that is $1,698,888. By the way, that's in the Pines area in Milpitas. Then the following weekend after that, we've got 1679 Everglades Drive in Milpitas. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, expanded kitchen, beautiful, beautiful updated home in the Parktown area in Synod Elementary, #1 school. Good price, $1,598,888. We do expect quite a few offers on that property, so be ready to hear about some good news on that activity level. And then we're getting ready, 412 North Abbott Avenue in Milpitas, 4-bedroom, 2-baths, 1627 square feet, huge lot, 10,000 square foot lot, and it backs up to a culvert or the Santa Clara Valley Water Department's got a little drainage area back there. So it's very open, very private backyard, and huge backyard. So a lot of possibilities with that one on doing an ADU or some other type of construction on the back of that property. And the price point on that is $1,698,888. And then I've got 1971 Camargo Drive in San Jose in the Berryessa area. We're getting that ready. Don't have the exact date on the open house. Probably in 2 or 3 weeks that we'll be showing that one. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1577 square feet. Again, the seller's done a great job of putting money into that property, cleaning it up, paint in and out, new flooring. This one has an ADU, which is an accessory dwelling unit that can be used as a rental or an in-laws situation or traveler. People that come to visit. It's a great place for that, or a teenager have their own privacy, and that is 312 square feet on that ADU. Price point on this property is $1,998,888. Seems to be pretty fair looking at the comps for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath without an ADU. So we've added some value in for that. And by the way, the ADU has also been completely remodeled, brand new bathroom. All new kitchenette in that property. It's really cute. Then we've got a little bit more coming up, but I'll talk about those next week as I get some dates, get those ready. Always ready to help you. If you want to get your home ready in this local market, give me a call, 408-945-8988, or an email, giordanodj@aol.com. Look forward to talking to you and giving you some more great information of this great market. Goodbye.